Nandito tayo ngayon with Adolfo. Adolfo, sabihin mo nga sa amin kung anong papel mo dito ngayon as a juror.
Bale, member po ako ng jury for the Asian New Talents Award. From 9 films, we'll choose a winner po for new filmmakers, kung first or second film nila among Asian filmmakers.
And how many films are you viewing?
We're viewing 9 films po. Tapos, nakascatter siya for 6 days. So, medyo marami-rami.
So, hindi ito ang first time mo as experience as a judge?
Hindi po. Nag-jury po ako din nasa Busan Film Festival last year.
Ano sa tingin mo magiging difference ng Busan at saka dito sa Shanghai?
Siguro po, actually first time ko kasi dito sa Shanghai Film Festival. So tinitignan ko kung paano nila in-organize. Yung sa Busan kasi, medyo organized din sila. So ngayon, siguro pagkakaiba po, ito kasi ngayon, karamihan new filmmakers So I'm looking forward to seeing kung how these filmmakers will take their stories to different dimensions.
Sino-sino ang mga Hollywood stars na nakita mo?
Ngayon po, nung opening, nandito si Nicole Kidman, si Hugh Grant, at saka po si John Cusack.
Sabi mo, Natalie Portman.
Si Natalie Portman po yata will attend closing festival.
First time mo to sa Shanghai?
Opo, first time.
So, any trips na gusto mong gawin?
Well, actually, may sinabi po yung friend ko sa akin, ipuntahan ko daw yung parang art museum nila. At saka yung, although mas malayo-layo daw po dito sa Shanghai, yung meron daw pong ginawang parang light show si Zhang Yimou. Gusto ko tignan pag may time.
So, what are you busy with aside from being a judge?
Ngayon po, I'm shooting 2 films. One po for yung with Nora Honor, yung Whistleblower and Cherry Pie Pikachu. Then the other one yung Kaina Tabel with si Aljur Abrenica po tsaka si Alden Richards. Tapos I'm also shooting yung miniseries ko sa GMA News TV with Dennis Trillo and Bella Padilla. Ang title po sa Puso ni Doc. It's about yung mga rural doctors na nag-volunteer.
So, anong mga advice mo sa mga aspiring filmmakers? Mga bata?
Siguro po ngayon, kasi it's an exciting time for them dahil diba, with all the access and yung cinema and also yung Asian cinema is in the spotlight as always. So I think it's better for them to focus on their craft and also how to tell their stories very differently from the others. Kasi yung originality po yun, that I think is very important ngayon for filmmakers.
Upcoming na naman yung Cinemalaya. Anong mga pelikulang meron ka bang pelikula coming
Actually po, I co-wrote a script, yung Ronda, for New Breed category. It's, I think si Nick Olanca po yung magdedirect. It's with Ai de las Alas. It's her first independent film. So, we're looking forward to it sa August.
Thank you very much.
Thanks po.